as I've said before in previous programmes, I'm very lucky people come up and give me CDs. And I'm going to play you a track from a person called Eilir Pierce. I'm probably saying his name completely wrong. I remember I was at the Green Man Festival and I was loading my boot and Mr. Pierce walked past and thrust the CD into my hand. I apologise for taking so long to get around to listen to it. But anyway, Six Music.
BBC Six Music, live.
Before that, yes, you heard Facial by Eilir Pierce, and I've got to read you, there's some sleeve notes with this record. As I say, it was thrust into my hand as I was trying to pack the boot of my car, trying to leave Green Man Festival. But I love this. It's talking about getting people in his band. So cast into this mix were Nick Mann, a Cornish bass player with funky bones, Sean Curtin, an axe-wielding Londoner with a riff for every occasion, and Tom Mackay, whose sense of rhythm was fundamental in allowing him to play the drums. Well, I suppose it would be, wouldn't it?